Hello, today I will show you how to access Fastboot Mode in your Motorola One. First, let's unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now, press and hold the power key and select Restart. And now, once the phone restarts and the screen goes black, press the power key and the volume down key together at the same time until the logo appears. For now, we're waiting for the phone screen to go black. And now I'm pressing both keys and we should get into the Fastboot menu. And as you can see, we are in the Fastboot flash mode. Here, using the volume up and volume down key, we can select different things and confirm them using the power key. So we have restart bootloader, recovery mode, power off, factory mode, barcodes, BP tools, QCOM, bootloader logs, switch tools mode and start. And that's how you access the Fastboot mode in your Motorola One. I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.